We are well into fall sports season, and you may have questions about how to treat and prevent injuries for young athletes. Well, News 8 is putting you first with a focus on sports safety tonight. Maureen is in Studio B with a panel of doctors who are ready to take your calls. Maureen?
That's right. You know, a couple of months into this school year, and we've got lots of young athletes out there doing their thing. The focus is on keeping them safe, and we're in good hands today because we have doctors and athletic trainers from the University of Rochester Medical Center and Rochester Regional Health here to take your calls right now. They are poised and ready, so call 287-8005 now through 6:30. All sorts of questions to ask tonight. We're joined now by Hurlburt. He's an athletic trainer from Rochester Regional Health. And let's start with preventing injury. That's the goal of every parent, to keep their child safe. How do you focus on prevention?
Yeah, so that's the goal of athletic trainers too, is to keep the athletes on the field. The number one thing that I usually tell my athletes is a well-rounded strength and conditioning program is one of the best ways that you can prevent injuries. You're not going to be able to prevent all injuries. Some injuries are unavoidable. But some of the more catastrophic major injuries can sometimes be helped with a strength and conditioning program. Another focus for the athletes should be on form and technique. That's landing form, technique within their sport, and they can usually get that from their sport coaches as well.
And I guess young athletes shouldn't be shy about asking for that kind of help from the school staff.
No, especially in the local high schools, they should seek out that advice either from a strength and conditioning professional, which a lot of the local high schools now have, or if unfortunately they don't, their athletic trainer. Their athletic trainer should have the knowledge to be able to coach them in correct form and maybe a couple exercises that they could be doing at home or on their own that would allow them to, maybe not succumb to those season-ending injuries.
All right, Ian, thank you so much. Thanks for reminding us how important it is to keep the body in shape in addition to playing the actual sport. All right, we're going to focus on broken bones coming up. Not a very pleasant topic, but really important. That's coming up in just a couple of minutes. A reminder to call now, 287-8005. Maybe you have a question about helmets or knee pads. What's the right one to get for your child? What not? What about conditioning? What's the most appropriate sport for your child? Call now, 287-8005 now through 6:30. Adam?
All right.